Okay, good day, guys. We are live on the streets of Kubwa and we are interviewing some citizens of Nigeria who are resident here on what they understand about the roles a civil engineer plays in the society. So, my name is Taweta, like you already know, and right here with me is
Samuel
who?
Annie Samuel.
So, and he's going to give us his view on what he understands on what a civil engineer should be involved in. So, over to you, Samuel.
From my own understanding, a civil engineer is someone that design structures like building, roads, different kind of infrastructure. They design it.
Okay. This is just design?
Yeah, mainly design. That is the own aspect I know. Designing. I don't. That is what I know they do. For me, it's kind of similar to architecture, but I just believe their own might be more in depth. And their own might be centralized.
No problem. That's very nice of you. Thank you very much. Just stay in touch with
here
and then please kindly introduce yourself to our audience.
Good afternoon. My name is Victory, and I'm not a civil engineer. Okay, fine. For me, what I think about civil engineering and civil engineers is that I believe that civil engineering is one branch of engineering in general, and they are in charge of earth materials like roads, bridges, construction of drainages, and all these are great points in making the society a very developed place. As a matter of fact, when you are calculating the index of how developed a country is or a state is, first of all, it's by roads before you talk about buildings. So I believe having civil engineers in our society would actually give us one of the best kind of roads, if I'm not wrong, then best kind of bridges, and then a very good drainage system, because what is the importance of roads if you don't have good drainage system? So that's everything I think I know about civil engineering.
Thank you very much for your honest.
Thank you very much for having me.
You get to see this and get to learn more.
Thank you.
Conclusion on what civil engineers do entirely.
Definitely.
You have
I'm ready to learn.
That's really great, and I'm nice that you know that about us. And
yes.
Hopefully, in the nearest future, when you become a politician, you're going to hire a civil.
Trust me. Thank you very much.
All right, man.
What they call me UD.
Yeah. So, that's welcome to the show.
From what I've been told, they build roads.
No, you're not wrong. That's one of it. So is that all they do?
I think anything construction, like railway. I think that's what they do.
When you say build, do you think do you mean that they go there and just lay the blocks one by themselves?
No. I think like architects, what they do is they design how it should be constructed. I think that's what they really do, and then outsource materials. I think that's what they do.
Okay, thank you. So many people believe the misconception that civil engineers are only involved in building of houses, but that's one of the basic things a civil engineer does. Many also have no idea that civil engineers are involved in the treatment of water and waste, and also ensure that this treated water is safely transported from the source to the point of use. Now, welcome to the Civil Sense channel, and on this channel we'll be giving you education and clearing any misconception on what a civil engineer should be involved in and why you need the services of one. So stick with us on this channel as we take you on this journey of education as well as entertainment, and we promise it's not going to be boring but very educating and fun to watch. So stick with us. Thank you.
So if you strip the textbooks and the complex equations that come along with it, what then is civil engineering? In plain terms, civil engineering is the science of civilization. It's the invisible skeleton that holds our modern world together. If you turned on the tap and got clean water, if you thanked the traffic light for turning green, and if you felt safe crossing a bridge, then you have a civil engineer to thank. Should in case you have none of these things within your area, then you have your government to hold accountable or responsible, whichever you choose. Basically, if it's big, built to last, and helps people live together in a community, then the civil engineer made it happen. Here's where it gets interesting. Civil engineering is just a giant umbrella, and underneath it, there are many branches and sub-branches that keep on expanding with the advancement of technology. That's what civil engineering is about. Now, on this channel, Civil Sense, we'll be exploring the main branches, which include First, structural engineering. They are the muzzle. They calculate forces to ensure that skyscrapers or whatever building you decide to erect do not fall down. And as well, bridges are able to carry the dynamic loads that will be imposed on them. By dynamic loads, I mean moving vehicles, moving trucks, and moving humans. Whatever moves across the bridge, it's a dynamic load. Next, geotechnical engineering. They are the foundation. They study the earth and rock. Before we build up, we have to ensure that the soil can hold what we intend to build. Transportation engineering. They are the flow. They design systems that move people and goods from highway interchanges to airports, thereby preventing gridlock. Environmental engineering. They are the protectors. They design systems that clean our water, manage our waste, protect us from the environment, and protect the environment from us. Emphasis on that. They not only protect the environment from us, they also protect them. They protect us from the environment as well. Water resources engineering. They are the controllers. They study the water cycle, designing dams, canals, and flood prevention systems. Construction management. They are the conductors. They take your drawings and turn them into reality, managing budget, safety, and the army of workers needed to build it. Honestly, that's just the main roster. We haven't even touched on coastal engineering, BIM and digital twins, forensic engineering, or material science. In fact, the list is practically endless, and that's what Civil Sense is all about. In the coming weeks and years, we will get to break down these concepts one after the other, visit the sites, and interview the experts to make sense of it all. So if you're interested in learning how the world around you actually works, you should like this video, hit that subscribe button. My name is Taweta Ego, and you will see me in the next one. Thank you.